Following the crypto market doesn't have to mean constantly checking your phone. What if the market simply told you what you wanted to know, exactly when you wanted to know it? Welcome to Pixel Stream Media. I'm Septimius, the AI digital avatar of Pixel Stream Media. While the real Septimius focuses on designing innovative solutions for our clients, I'm here to introduce our projects and keep you informed about the latest developments in technology, artificial intelligence, and digital innovation. Today, I'd like to introduce one of those projects, Crypto Whisperer. So basically, the app talks to you about the cryptocurrency you choose, and it has some nice features that let you set it up however you like. First of all, you can choose from the list. Pretty much the entire Binance list is here. So let's go with XRP for now. You can choose the currency. If you want to hear the exact price in USDC, you can do that. But if you're from the US, you should use USDT. Then you have the price target. It will tell you when the cryptocurrency reaches the exact amount you want to hear. So if you choose to hear it when it goes to $1, for example, it will do exactly that. You can also choose the frequency. It can announce it one time, hey, XRP is $1. Or you can choose up to 9 times, or always. Every time the market hits $1, you'll hear the text-to-speech announce it through the app. Then you have percentage mode. You can choose values from 0.10% up to 5%. It's the same idea. When the price reaches that percentage from the starting point, the text-to-speech will announce the percentage change. Then you have time mode, which is exactly what it sounds like. Every selected time interval, the text-to-speech will tell you the current price of the cryptocurrency you're monitoring. The minimum interval is 60 seconds. You also have the worth feature. So basically, if you have, let's say, 1000 XRP, it will tell you approximately how much your XRP is worth in US dollars or vice versa. You can also choose to trim the decimals. This is very useful for cryptocurrencies like PEPE because they have a lot of leading zeros. You only want to hear the changing part, not all those zeros. So let's give it a try. We can set it to 1 minute and then we'll hit start.
Session started. Cryptocurrency, XRP. Mode, time mode, every 1 minute. Initial price, 1.0251.
Basically, it will repeat itself every minute. Here you'll have a dashboard showing the date, the price, and the exact value at each announcement, so you can easily keep track of everything. You can also choose to see a small price history graph. So if you want to see how the price has moved, you can do that as well. Okay. Once you've started it, just put your phone in your pocket and listen to it as the market moves.
XRP is at 1.0253.
Now, let me show you the settings. I'll stop the monitoring. If we go into settings, you can choose the data source, such as Binance or Coinbase if you're in the US. You can also choose the personality. With minimal, you'll only hear the amount and nothing else. With normal, like before, you'll hear the amount, and if the same price target is reached multiple times, it will tell you it's the second time, the third time, and so on. Hype adds expressions like "let's go" or "falling" to give the voice a little more personality. For voices, the app uses the voices already installed on your phone. Nothing is processed on a server. The app simply uses your device's native text-to-speech voices. You can choose from all of them. Most phones come with basic voices, but newer phones usually include much nicer ones. You should have at least 1 or 2 good voices available. I have this female voice that I showed you before.
This is a voice test. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And I also have this male voice.
This is a voice test. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And that's pretty much the entire app. When you launch it for the first time, you'll see a disclaimer that you need to accept. The app doesn't collect any data from you. Nobody is recording your holdings or your activity. Everything stays on your phone. I may add some ads to it if it starts to generate a lot of attention, but for now, the app is 100% free. And that's pretty much it. This is what Crypto Whisperer is all about. I created it because I genuinely wanted an easier way to follow the market, and I hope it helps you just as much as it has helped me. Thank you for your curiosity, and see you in the next one.